Do you know a GDPR-like privacy law is coming to India? Or rather, I should say it's being finalized in India. Watch this video and I'm going to share more about India's data protection bill, or personal data protection bill as it is called. Hello and welcome. This is Punit here. Today I'm going to introduce you to India's data protection bill. It is known by multiple names. Some people call it personal data protection bill, which is, by the way, also the name in the text. Some people call it Data Protection Act. Some people call it Data Protection Bill India, whatever you call it. And some people also call it India's GDPR. Well, that's not the actual name, by the way. Now, why is India coming up with a law? Not another law. The world we are living in is moving very fast. Compared to 1950s and 60s, your identity, your information was limited to your street, city, or maximum a few relatives. Today we are living in a digital world. In this digital world, people publish books which are available on Amazon. Then you have a profile on Facebook. You're watching this video on Facebook or YouTube or I don't know where. So the identity that we are having is defined by the data or personal data that I and you have. And in that, it is important to protect this identity, this digital identity. And as we move into the digital world, it is becoming a challenge to manage this. And some companies are taking advantage of your and my data. And that's why we are left with two options. One, we make it legal and say, companies, you can sell data. Well, that is not something that's going to help. Or maybe we can say, companies, you can sell data and give consumers some part of that money, or say monetization of data. We are not there yet. So that's why what governments are doing is they are putting in privacy laws which formulate rules for processing of personal data. And that's what India is going to do. India is putting on or putting up its own set of rules. And it is called India's Privacy Law Personal Data Protection Bill. This will help put customers in control of their data. Now, it will not suddenly change that you have everything in control. It will change from lack of control to relatively more control, and based on how it goes, things will evolve. But it will certainly prevent misuse of personal data. It will be for individuals like you, me, who are customers, who are employees, and who are personnel of supplier. Of course, India's Personal Data Protection Bill exempts processing for employment purposes. It will also apply to all companies who process personal data. It is currently in review with the Joint Parliamentary Committee. And last time when there was a law in EU named GDPR, I wrote a book like this, Be Ready For GDPR. A book like this helps people know what is the law about and what is to be done. Because I had an experience of about, at that time, 3 or 4 years, and I put all that experience into a book like this, a few pages. And I'm going to do the same thing now. I have a little bit more experience than before. I've studied a few more laws, and I will help you with the book, India's Personal Data Protection Bill. Of course, we can change the name if you like. Please make a comment what would be a very good name for the book. If you want to pre-order, it's already available on Amazon at discount. I would appreciate if you write in what you like to hear, what you like to read in that book, and I will do my best to incorporate that. Please do click like, please do comment, and please do subscribe and share this information with others. Because as a new law comes in, a lot of people need to know about it. And refer your friends to this video or this book. I thank you for your attention. God bless you and have a great day.